Hi students, welcome to Mithran Educational Society's Mr.PHYSICS YouTube class. Now we are going to be discuss about acceleration due to gravity. Initially we need to understand about what is meant by acceleration due to gravity. That means acceleration produced in the motion of a body, right, which should be under the effect of gravity. That means it is called as acceleration due to gravity. In simple terms I will explain you that one. See, this is Earth. The mass of the Earth is m. So on the surface of the Earth, we are going to be placed one object is there, right? The mass of the object is m. According to the universal law of gravity, which is said by Newton, definitely between these two mass, right, one force should be developed. The force exerted by the mass of the Earth, it should be equal to the mass of the object, right? So according to the third law, one force should be developed. So what is force? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Yeah, according to Newton's second law, force is nothing but mass into acceleration. So what is this acceleration? Yeah, that only I said. The acceleration which is produced in the motion of the body, okay, which should be under the effect of gravity, means this A is called as G. This A is called G. So what does mean by G? G is called acceleration due to gravity, right? It is accelerated due to gravity. Yeah, so this is called acceleration due to gravity. I hope you all of you understand this one. Now what we are going to be discuss means what is the constant value of acceleration due to gravity, whether the acceleration due to gravity value is, first of all, it is a constant or not. Yeah, it is not a constant value, it will be changed, right, with respect to what and all. That only in this video we are going to be discuss. Yeah, first one, G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity. First we need to know this. How this value will come, that and all we will see later now. Yeah, this value is constant or not means definitely it is not a constant value, it will be changed, right? So what are the parameters will affect the value of the gravity? What are the parameters will not affect the value of the gravity? Okay, see, first one, the independent quantities. Independent quantities. So what are the independent quantities? Means first one, mass. If one lighter object is there, one heavier object is there, right? If the acceleration due to gravity of the both objects will same or not means it is same. That will not affect. It will not change the value of the gravity. So what are the quantities are going to be change? Depending value. What are depending value in the sense? It is a very important thing, because based on this only individually what are the formulas we are going to be derived. Okay, the first one is called position. The position changes, definitely acceleration due to gravity value will change. So position in the sense either altitude, that means height. Yeah, second one depth, then latitude, angle, yeah, then shape of the object. So many things are there. These are the depending terms. So based on the effect of the height, effect of depth, angle, shape, okay, the gravity value we are saying it will be changing, right? Yeah, so what is the change in value? What is the formula for this? That only we are going to be discussed. But before we are going to be discussed that one, how the value 9.8 will come, that first we know, then only we move to that one, right? So now we are going to be discuss about the expression for acceleration due to gravity. So our topic is, now we are going to be discuss expression. So expression in the sense, we already discussed this. This is mass of the Earth. One object is there, that is m. So the distance between these two is radius of the Earth r. Okay, so what is the force which is developed between the means, that is F is equal to minus G m m divided by r square according to the universal law of gravitation. Correct? So this force value we are going to be considered as the first equation. Then second one, due to this force, definitely this object is willing to be accelerated. Yeah, so based on that force, so what that is called mass into acceleration force means, so acceleration which is under the effect of gravity, so we are going to be say a is called g, so m into g, right? I hope you all of you understand this one. A is g. Why a is g means it is under the gravity, so this is equation 2. So definitely this based on this two forces are should be equal only, right? So 1 is equal to 2, 1 is equal to 2, so you just equate them. M into g is equal to minus g m divided by r square. This m is called as earth, mass of the earth. This m is the mass of the object. Now the mass of the object, mass of the object cancel each other. So what are the remaining things are g is equal to minus g m divided by r square. Right? So based on the direction it will be changed. Okay, but we need only the magnitude value of the acceleration due to gravity. So how we are going to take the magnitude value? Just take the modulo operation, right? So just you take the modulo operation, you can find the magnitude of the g. That means g is equal to g m divided by r square. So we should know this. Apart from the examination, we should know what is acceleration due to gravity, right? Based on that only all the objects will be moved, right? So the acceleration due to gravity value is 9.8 in the sense how this 9.8 meter per second square will come, right? We should know that is called this expression g m divided by r square. Okay, g means gravitational constant value we discussed in the last video, 6.600 to the power minus 11. Mass of the earth, radius of the earth, right? These all the values are constant values. So these are all constant means definitely acceleration due to value is also nearly constant, but that value it will be changed with respect to what we have discussed: height, depth, latitude, shape. Okay, how these values are going to be changed. Okay, before that we are going to be see one problem in next video. See, all of you, I hope you understand what is the expression for acceleration due to gravity in the sense g m divided by r square. Yeah, the value of acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square, right? Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Thank you.